Start lab-grown diamonds manufacturing industry. Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of lab-grown diamonds and why they might be the perfect venture for your entrepreneurial spirit, especially if you have experience in the graphite industry. Why to start lab-grown diamonds manufacturing industry? The traditional diamond trade has come under scrutiny for its environmental impact and ethical concerns. Lab-grown diamonds offer a solution. They boast the same sparkle and brilliance as mined diamonds, but without the environmental damage or social issues. Consumers are increasingly seeking ethical alternatives, and lab-grown diamonds are perfectly positioned to meet that demand. The graphite advantage. Now, here's where your graphite expertise comes in. Graphite is a key ingredient in creating lab-grown diamonds. Entrepreneurs with existing knowledge of the graphite industry have a significant head start. They understand sourcing, processing, and potential fluctuations in graphite prices. This knowledge translates to a smoother entry point into the lab-grown diamond market. Reasons to consider lab-grown diamonds industry for startup. High growth market. The lab-grown diamond market is booming, with a projected CAGR, compound annual growth rate, of over 15% in the coming years. Sustainable or ethical. Lab-grown diamonds eliminate the environmental footprint of mining and avoid the ethical concerns associated with traditional diamonds. Profitable margins. With the right strategy, lab-grown diamonds offer excellent profit margins due to lower production costs compared to mined diamonds. Investment. Machinery cost, 200.00 lakhs. Project cost, 361.00 lakhs. Now let's talk about the investment side of things. To get this project off the ground, you'll be looking at a total project cost of 361 lakh rupees. This includes all the expenses involved, from raw materials and permits to construction and manpower. A significant portion of this cost, around 200 lakh rupee, will be allocated towards machinery. Remember, these are figures, and the actual cost depending on specific details and chosen equipment. Challenges to consider. High initial investment. Setting up a lab-grown diamond production facility requires significant upfront investment in equipment and technology. Competition. The lab-grown diamond market is becoming increasingly competitive. You'll need a strong marketing strategy to stand out. Regulation. The lab-grown diamond industry is still evolving, and regulations may vary depending on your location. Conclusion. The lab-grown diamond industry presents a tremendous opportunity for entrepreneurs. If you're passionate about sustainability, innovation, and ethical practices, and have expertise in graphite, lab-grown diamonds could be your perfect business venture. Conduct thorough research, develop a solid plan, and embrace the chance to be a part of the future of diamonds.